Is it hard to plaster a swimming pool? You see somebody plaster a swimming pool and they make it look so easy. And they do two of them a day, three sometimes. And how hard could it be? Like, you must be able to do this, get a bunch of people and you all just work real hard and get it done. Plastering a swimming pool is a skill. It's something that takes experience, time, patience, and just hours and hours and hours on a trowel to get the technique for. And like most things, even when it's going well, I mean, maybe you could get by, do a decent job, but when things start going badly, the mixes are too wet or too dry, or there's a problem with the pool somehow, and you're having problems with delamination, or you can't keep the shell saturated properly, and there's all sorts of things that could go wrong. And for the average pool owner across the board, I just advise, now you really can't plaster your own pool. Like, I couldn't plaster my own pool. I need four of me to plaster my own pool. And I've got a lot of experience on a trowel, and I'm not even very good. Like, it takes 40 years to get really, really good with it. And it's just not realistic for the average person to think about plastering their own pool. If you found this information helpful, please be sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you can check out my website, swimmingpoolsteve.com.